How you doing today?
Good, man. How about you?
I'm doing all right. I can't complain. I mean, I could, but what would be the point? Does this door work?
Yeah. As far as I know.
Cause that one's up over there.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's not opening. We'll just go ahead and open this one. Oh, where are the keys at?
In there. I leave them in there. I don't know how to do a lot. One of my kids, I'm guessing. I don't drive this car anywhere. It just sits here.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
Yeah. But why would it automatically lock itself?
Who knows?
Yeah.
These computers in the vehicles, I don't like them. They always do dumb stuff.
Right.
Yeah, usually it's a little faster, but
Faster than that?
yeah.
I tried to do that shit.
There we go.
I tore that